Hello, how was your game? I learned a very interesting thing during your game. You are going to like it, and you are going to be surprised.
That was perfect. We won. What is the interesting thing that you want to tell?
It is elasticity. It is a measure of responsiveness.
Hey, wait a second. I know what elasticity is. It measures how much something changes when there is a change in one of the factors that determines it.
Yeah. This is true, but I know one more thing.
What is that?
It is elasticity of demand.
I do not know what it is. Can you explain what it is?
Sure. Elasticity of demand is a measure of how much the demand for a product changes when there is a change in one of the factors that determine demand. Also, it separates in three parts: price elasticity of demand, cross elasticity of demand, and income elasticity of demand.
Okay. What is the price elasticity of demand?
Price elasticity of demand is a measure of how much the quantity of demand changes when there is a change in price of a product.
Is there a formula for calculating price elasticity of demand?
Yes, there is. Price elasticity of demand equals percentage change in quantity demanded of the product divided by percentage change in price of the product.
What does this formula's result give us?
That is a very good question. If the value of price elasticity of demand is less than 1 and greater than 0, it has inelastic demand. If the value is greater than 1 less than infinity, it is elastic demand. If the value is equal to 1, it has unit elastic demand.
That is so interesting. But I do not know the meaning of the terms elastic demand, inelastic demand, and unit elastic demand.
Okay, I can explain them. Inelastic demand is a situation when the price of the product raises, its demand will not fall too much.
What about elastic demand? Is it the opposite of elastic demand?
Definitely. This is a situation when price of the product raises, demand of product will fall too much. And unit elastic demand is a situation when the price of the product raises, demand of the product falls proportionally.
What about the determinants of price elasticity of demand?
There are three determinants of price elasticity of demand: the number and closeness of substitutes, the necessity of the product and how widely the product is defined, the time period considered.
Okay, is that all you know about the price elasticity of demand?
Yes, it is. So let me talk about cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand is a measure of how much the demand for a product changes when there is a change in the price of another product.
What is the formula of cross elasticity of demand?
Percentage change in quantity demanded of product X divided by percentage change in price of other product Y.
What does cross elasticity of demand explain?
Cross elasticity of demand explains the relationship between products.
How?
If the value of cross elasticity of demand is positive, two goods are the substitutes of each other. If cross elasticity of demand is negative, they are complements of each other.
Okay, that was very beneficial for. Did you finish A?
No, I should talk about income elasticity of demand, which is a measure of the relationship between the change in the quantity demanded for a particular good and a change in real income. Income elasticity of demand is an economics term that refers to the sensitivity of the quantity demanded for a certain product in response to a change in consumer incomes.
What is the formula of income elasticity of demand?
Percentage change in quantity demanded of the product divided by the percentage change in income of the consumer.
Okay. I have a last question. What does income elasticity of demand explain?
Ha ha. That is so easy. If the income elasticity of demand positive, product is a normal good. If income elasticity of demand is negative, product is an inferior good. That's it.
That was very beneficial for me. Thanks for helping me, Varen. I hope Argentina can win.
You are welcome, Ronaldo. Also, congratulations for victory.